Hi, what's up everybody? Long time no video. So this morning I decided to do an analysis on USD card. You all know that we start our analysis from the higher time frame, and currently we are on the monthly time frame. So let's see how the market is doing. I've not been on the chart for a very long time now, but let's just see how the market is like. Okay, from the monthly time frame, we can see that we have a high here that the market has hit first time, second time, but these are very long time ago sharp. So we'll just ignore that part because that has been as in since the inception of the market. So we're not going to be looking at those parts. But we can see what we can understand is that price is currently approaching that high. So we'll just ignore this high first because that's just too long ago. And now on the monthly time frame, we can see that price is bullish. It's very obvious that price is bullish. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and let's see what price is doing. You can get the current market. Let's see what the current market price is doing. Price is still very bullish. Now this is a high that we are looking at. This high price hits the high, hits here, and price refused to break any significant structure. You see that price is still respecting supply zones. There was no significant structure that was invalidated. So we are still looking at the price. We are still looking for price to go to go bullish. So we are not going to be selling against the major trend. We are just going to follow the trend as it goes. Now this is the daily time frame. Now currently this is the daily time frame, still very bullish. And now price, let's see what price is doing. This place is kind of ranging, but let's see. This is a supply zone that was respected. Price is currently at this demand, trying to push price downward, but we understand that price is not bearish, so we are not going to be looking at anything like bearish. But like, if we are going to be looking at anything bearish, we are going to be waiting for price to break below this structure here. So if price break below that zone, it means we are going to be looking for says, but as it is now, we are not going to be looking at anything bearish. We are going to be looking at bullish. So this zone here, this is a demand zone that is currently holding price now. But I know this demand zone that is holding this price here is not going to hold it for a very long time. Reason because this is just an eternal structure, and so this place could be invalidated. So if this place is invalidated, it means price is still going to be going very bullish. So but if this place is respected, it's just going to mean that price may just push price down a little, and then price may be respecting and obvious this zone here. May just be that this demand zone push price downward to enter here and to continue buying. Or if it doesn't happen like that, this demand zone will push price down to invalidate this level. That's my opinion on this. Just push price down to invalidate this level. But what I'm expecting, what I feel is going to have a higher probability for this is a daily time frame demand obvious order block, which I believe price is going to be respecting. And since so far price has been respecting it, let's check the H4 time frame. Now let's explain this demand zone. You see that this demand zone came back and it respected higher time frame supply that pushed price up again. Higher time frame supply are very, very important because if this higher time frame supply was invalidated, it shows that price is really ready to move price down from the higher time frame demand that is up here. Price pushed down and invalidated higher time frame supply. But what it is now, this higher time frame demand pushed price down but refused to break a higher time frame supply zone. The supply zone was respected and it pushed price upward. It means this supply zone is holding. And now this trend this year, this demand here is an internal demand zone, which does not have strength to truncate this higher time frame supply. So this demand zone is just a way of price reaction. Price is just going to react to it. In my opinion, price is just going to react to this place, then maybe react to bring price lower and then continue going higher, or just react to induce traders to sell and then price will just take out everybody that is selling. This internal demand zone will not hold, may not hold. I'm not going to say will not hold, it may not hold, because we are looking, this higher time frame supply is still very, very much holding, and consistently price has been holding. You see that price has been holding. So this place, if price actually wants to move faster, if price actually wants to respect this demand zone, it will just go immediately and come down. But what it's doing is that it's accumulating traders to sell currently. That's why you see price just moving around. Or anyways, we don't know what the price is going to do yet. We are just going to follow our analysis and see what price does. What I'm expecting is that price may react to this place and bring price lower, and then we'll be buying from this obvious demand that is here. I mean obvious supply, this supply zone. There is an imbalance here that price did not fill it up. Price almost came, but we still have a little of it that was not filled up. So you see, we still have little imbalance there. Price will just come back, clear out all this internal structural liquidity, and then enter the zone. And then when price is here, we are going to be buying to the higher time frame. We're going to buy, we'll close our first trade here at this demand zone, and then we are going to be looking at the higher time frame move, coming back to these highs. Coming back to these highs here, coming back to these highs. So that is what I'm looking at on USDCAD. So anything can happen. You understand that anything can happen in our analysis. So we don't just focus on one side. We wait for the markets to give us hints on what it is going to do. We're not going to just, because I've said that price is coming back here, we will not just place our trade here. We are going to wait to actually see how price came and reacted to this zone. Sometimes price will just come and invalidate this zone. So what we are going to wait for is, we are going to wait to see what price does within this place. If you can also see, you can see that price can also decide to invalidate here and just come back to anything here and just react, or can just come straight down to invalidate this place. That is why we always wait for our confirmation. Let's wait and see what price does in this our analysis. But in my own opinion, I'm waiting to buy USDCAD on the higher time frame levels, which is the H4. We are currently using the H4 for our analysis. So we're waiting. Once price gets into our zone, we'll go down to 15 minutes and take an entry from 15 minutes time frame. Thank you very much. That is my analysis on USDCAD this morning. God bless you, everybody. Peace out.